Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to multiply by 1 plus sine s squared on numerator and denominator. So we have 1 minus sine s and 1 plus sine s. We combine together and you got about 1 minus sine s squared to the power of 2. Next, we have the formula in here. Sine s squared plus cosine s squared equals to number 1. So we put sine s squared go to the right and we got cosine s squared equals to number 1 minus sine s squared. So I will put this one go in here. And now we need to simplify cosine s squared on numerator and denominator. Next, we need to expand. So we have 1 divided by cosine s squared, sine s divided by cosine s squared, and sine s squared divided by cosine s squared. Next, we have the formula in here. 1 over cosine s, we change secant of s. Sine s over cosine s, we change tan s. And tan s squared equals to secant of s squared minus 1. So this one, we have secant of s squared. This one we change by this one. So secant of s squared, secant of s squared, we have number 2 in here. Now I will concentrate about this one only. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine s. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides and we have negative sine s ds. Because we don't have negative sign in here, so I will put the negative go to the left and we have negative du equals to sine s ds. This one we change by u and we have u squared. Sine s ds we change by negative du. So the integration of this one, we have positive number 2 over u and I will put about c. About u, that is about cosine s. The integration of this one, we have tan s. The integration of this one, that is about this one. The integration of number 1, we have s and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.